In this video, I'll show you how you can add transitions to 2 videos or more in Premiere Pro. So here you can see I've got one video clip, and then here is another video clip. Now the first way that you can do it is go to the middle of these video clips. So you can zoom in here on your timeline. And then once you've found the middle, you can right click and then click Apply Default Transitions. Now you may get an error saying it will contain repeated frames, but if you click OK, it will add the default transition, which in our case is across dissolve. You can then go ahead and bring this left or right, which will shorten the transition or make it longer. The next way, you can go to Window, go to Effects, and then it should open up an effects window down here. You can go ahead and click on effects. Here you'll see video transitions in the bottom left. You can click on this, and here you've got any of these transitions which you can go ahead and add. So let's just put a page turn, and you can drag it onto these clips. Again, if you have an error or not, it will depend on your clips. So if you preview the transition, it looks like this for us. We can actually click on the transition, and here you'll be able to see the duration. You can see the alignment, and if you click on the top left, you can actually just play the transition and get a preview of it. Now you can keyframe these depending on what transition you're using, and a lot of them have different properties that you can go ahead and edit. So here we've got the border width, the border color, and so on. So that is how I would do it.